Welcome to Elegant and Easy. I'm Iris Fairfax. Today I'm going to make a quick appetizer for my family to munch on as soon as they get here. Join me as I make puff pastry bites with caramelized onions, apples, and gorgonzola. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot skillet. Then 2 sliced onions, and 3 garlic cloves, which I'm adding after the onions so the garlic doesn't burn. Now salt and pepper, and I like to add my favorite seasoning blend. Let this caramelize for about 15 minutes or until it's reduced by half. I've rolled out a sheet of puff pastry, which I'm moving to a pan spritzed with non-stick cooking spray. Poke holes in the pastry, which is called docking. Docking is going to help this to crisp up and help it also to stay flat while baking. Take 2 tablespoons of apricot preserves thinned with about 2 teaspoons of water and paint it all over the pastry. Top with our caramelized onions, some thinly sliced apples. I like Granny Smiths for their tartness. Some crumbled gorgonzola cheese, and top with the remaining glaze. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. It's gorgeous and ready to cut into bite-sized pieces. And here you have it. A beautiful appetizer that even my vegetarian brothers will eat. That's if my sister and I don't eat them all first. See you next time.